Hi everybody, I got a good video for you today. It's a 2006 H3 Hummer. It's got a 3.5 liter inline 5-cylinder. Came in with the check engine light blinking and the engine's going pop, 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 running really rough. So I hooked up a scan tool. I'll show you what I found out. After I found out what was going on, the check engine light, it's on because the keys just turned on now, but there's no more freeze frame data. But cylinder number 2 had like 5,000 misfires, not on current, but it had it on history. So where is that? Cylinder number 2, but they're all showing 0 now, but that's what it was. So I made a little delay not getting that on there this time for you guys. Then I removed the boot. And you can see they put that synthetic grease inside there, and it's all kind of sticking at the corners, like a couple little creases in the sides here. So I took the spark plug out, and you can see where it's arcing. Try and get a little more light here. Where it's arcing on the spark plug. Right there, you can see that mark where it's firing. So that's not supposed to be there, obviously. And there's a couple more right there where you can see it's misfiring. And then I got a new spark plug to show you because a lot of you want to know for sure. So here's the new spark plug. There's no black markings whatsoever. And you look at this, you can see it's like a little mini arc welder there, and over here also. So what I did is I swapped the coils too, and I always label them number 2 and then number 1, and then I quit misfiring, and that's when I found the damage on the coil boot. So you can buy these boots separately. I'll get those in the morning. I've already got the spark plug here. We'll put a new dab of silicone grease on it, put it all back together. We'll probably do a fuel injection service. You can see the throttle's pretty black inside of there. So, a little tip from John Sadler: it doesn't have to necessarily be a coil. I did put the snap-on Vantage on it. I did a current ramp test on it. You guys have seen me in previous videos before use this tool, and that'll show you a waveform pattern. And I had a good waveform pattern of the current ramp on both number 1 and number 2 cylinders. So you rule everything else out. You don't have to buy a new coil that comes with a boot or something and put it on for $100 or whatever they cost. You're not going to do the customer any favors. You got to really take the time, diagnose it, find out what's going on. And that's a little tip. A lot of you know you can already swap coils and boots, but then pull the spark plug out, go a step further, look for arcing. And as soon as I saw that arcing, I'm going to change that spark plug. I'm not going to leave that spark plug in there. And it looks like it had been changed fairly recently, but they didn't clean off the silicone grease off of it from the previous time. I take some rubbing alcohol, one of those yellow towels from Costco, clean it off really good, or a little bit of brake cleaner, clean out the inside of that boot, then put a new dab on there, gets a nice smooth seal, all those little cracks and stuff. That spark can jump right through there and go to ground, which I did on this one. Thank you very much. Have a great afternoon.